we need to be clean, our mind, our heart, our eyes, our body, our clothes, our houses, everything we must be clean because Allah said, Wallahu yuhibbul mutatahirin, Allah loves those who are clean. So cleanliness in the heart also, there should be no shirk, only one God to worship, only one God to believe. And cleanliness of the heart from the people, not to keep hatred for the people, always love people and not to hate people. And the cleanliness of the mind, don't think evil about the people, don't plan evil about the people. Always think good for the people, that what can I do for the people to benefit of the people and to save people from the harm. And also the cleanliness of your places, our masjid, our worship places like masjid or our streets, everywhere we learn to be clean. Never to throw the garbage or to throw the dirt. Even the cars must be clean, and then the smoke of the car must be clean. Lots of people, because of the greediness, they don't change the oil or they use the second-hand oil, which is smoke belching, and that is polluting our environment. Our cities are getting polluted with smoke. So use the good oil for the cars and don't do pollution, because it is also considered as dirt, filth, and it is against the command of Allah. Allah loves those who are clean, and the opposite side, Allah hates those who are dirty. So you are making dirty the environment with your smoke belching cars with very second-hand and old oil. Change the new oil and don't make the dirt in the environment. Very important also that the all other kind of filth not to throw in the environment, in the atmosphere, like carbon, too much using of carbon, or try to learn to walk also. It can save the environment also. Not always to use too much cars and machines, rather to walk or to do something with your effort also, and can give you the good health also. So the cleanliness, those who clean, Allah love them, and those who don't clean, Allah hate them. So if you want that Allah love us and not Allah hate us, we always should choose to be clean all the time. So Allah love us, and the Prophet Muhammad said, At-tahara nisful iman. That the cleanliness is half of our faith, half of the faith. So the cleanliness is half of the faith. So everything should be clean. Even I was saying in the khutbah today, which I recommend all of you to go and watch the khutbah today it was from the Blue Mosque, Maharlika. Don't wash dirt with your eye. If you wash dirt with your eye like pornography, then it can filth your heart. It will damage your heart. It will damage your mind. And those young children who watch the pornography, they will be corrupted and they will become dirty, filthy like animals. So don't let the eyes to see dirt. No, don't let the ears to hear dirt. Don't speak the dirt with your mouth, because if you say bad words with your mouth, then it will dirty your mouth and it will dirty your heart also.